Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to join friends on PC from PS4 in GTA Online. And this needs a clear explanation to avoid confusion. Right now, GTA Online does not allow PS4 players to join or play with friends on PC. The game does not support crossplay between console and PC platforms. This means there is no setting, invite option, or Rockstar Social Club feature that lets PS4 users enter PC lobbies. Even if both accounts are linked on Social Club, gameplay remains platform locked. PS4 players can only join other PlayStation players, while PC players are restricted to PC servers. Any guides claiming workarounds or tricks are misleading. To play together, all players must use the same platform. Subscribe the channel for more videos.